How to change notification sound on Instagram. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. And now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings here, then tap on notifications with the bell icon on it. Okay, here we go. Now once you're here, search for Instagram here. Okay, here we go. Now make sure that the toggle for allow notifications is turned on and also the toggle for sounds is turned on as well. Now go to Instagram notification settings. Over here tap on messages. Now make sure that everything is turned on and nothing is turned off. Okay, now after this, let's go back to settings again. Let's go back and then let's go to sounds and haptics. Now over here tap on text tone or any of the options you want to modify. Okay, here we go. Now you can choose any of the sounds you want for your Instagram notification. So that was all for today and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.